how to buy two variants from the same sellers on AliExpress. Now, if you want to order two variants from the same seller, you just simply need to open your AliExpress app or the website of aliexpress.com. And after that, you just simply need to select the product which you would like to buy. For example, let's select this earbuds from Lenovo, and once you select the product, you are gonna see all of the variants that you can buy for that specific product. Just simply select the variant that you would like to buy at first and tap to add to cart. And again, after selecting the quantity and verifying the prices and everything, tap to add to cart again. And once again, select the other variant from here and then again tap to add to cart and again tap to add to cart. Now, both variants are added to the cart. Now you just simply need to go to the cart, and after going into the cart, you need to check out selecting both products from here. Just simply select the both variant and tap to checkout button. And after you pay for this product, the product will be ordered in AliExpress. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.